Welcome to you. I'm so glad you're here. In this meditation, we'll give ourselves a few precious moments of peace away from anxiety and open ourselves to quietly listen to what our heart is saying. This meditation helps me find my way back to myself when there's chaos in daily life. I hope it does for you too. I'm Diana, and I'm honored to guide you. Let's begin. Settle yourself into a comfortable position, whatever feels right for you. Rest your palms facing open and upward, ready to receive the gifts of this moment. Sense the quiet energy of the earth supporting you and surrounding you with its steadfast presence. Ground yourself here and now and offer yourself a gentle reassurance that you are okay. Everything is okay. Gently close your eyes or simply soften your gaze. As you turn your attention inward, the multitude of thoughts and the presence of the outside world gently fade into the background. For this little while, let's simply exist in the quiet space and time, just you and your breath. Know that you are safe here in this moment and you are loved. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs completely, and then release it slowly, mindfully, until there's nothing left. Carve out a few moments of quiet space where we can softly listen to the whispers of our own heart, that gentle inner knowing that often gets overshadowed by worries. And now draw in another deep cleansing breath, filling yourself with fresh energy and intention. Continue to breathe naturally, softly, and at your own rhythm. As you continue to breathe, we'll gently engage in a conscious exchange, releasing any heavy, shadowy energy of anxiety and inviting in the radiant, loving energy of light and peace. Imagine a beautiful, warm, light energy gently entering your body with each inhale, and visualize it pouring through you, filling every cell, every space with its gentle warmth. As you breathe out, imagine any darkness, any heaviness, any anxious feelings gently floating away on your breath like soft clouds carried by a gentle breeze. Place your hands gently on your heart. Feel the steady rhythm beneath your palms. Offer yourself a moment of quiet strength, a gentle reassurance. You are okay. You are always okay right here, right now. As you continue to breathe naturally, gently turn inward with a focus on the quiet messages that arise from your heart space. Be open and receptive to the space around your heart, ready to hear its quiet wisdom. Imagine a soft, warm light emanating from your heart space, creating a gentle beacon for your inner voice. What does your heart long for you to hear? It's okay to listen. Is it a gesture of self-love? A request for change? A longing for connection? or a simple hope for quiet peace. With each inhale, listen more carefully. With each exhale, gently release any barriers or distractions that might prevent you from hearing its gentle guidance. Bring your gentle awareness to your heart space. What does it feel like in this moment? Are there any subtle whispers, any gentle nudges? Allow yourself to simply notice without judgment or the need to understand immediately. Take a deep breath in, acknowledging the act of inner listening, and as you exhale, feel a sense of quiet connection to your heart's wisdom. Together, we've created this precious moment of peace and calm. Let's linger here for a little while longer, allowing this feeling to gently fill your entire being, to settle deeply within your cells, becoming an important part of you. Continue to rest in this gentle listening, breathing softly, trusting that your heart holds a deep well of knowing that is always available to you. And now gently begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes gently. Know that stillness and peace resides within you always, ready to be accessed whenever you need it. Connect with the gentle rhythm of your breath. It's your constant anchor. Carry with you this sense of connection to your heart's quiet voice. When you feel completely ready, gently open your eyes. Come back to this meditation anytime you feel the need to quiet the noise and listen gently to your inner knowing. Subscribe to 3 Leaves. I have a new meditation for you each week. I wish you calm mind and body until we meet again.